Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to see how to make a homemade custom coronavirus prevention face mask. So this is a homemade mask that I have done, and I'm here to teach you how to do this on your own with simple few things that is available at home. So come, let's see what are the things that are needed and see how to make this fabulous mask. So nowadays it's become really tough to get your hand on one of the masks. So I hope this would be really helpful for you for initial protection from any kind of a virus. This is not a N95 mask which is going to prevent you from coronavirus. It's just a preliminary precautionary mask that you can wear if you're going outside of home. So come on, let's check out how to make this out. So now let's see what are the things that are needed to make our custom homemade coronavirus prevention mask. So we need a bag like this, a material basically which is breathable, and whichever suits you. This is what the closest material that I had in my home, which is closest to a commercially available mask. This is quite breathable, and you can look at the material, it's quite transparent as well as it's sturdy. You can use whichever material which is comfortable for you. So this is the one I'm going to use for this particular demo. And the next one is measurement tape. So this is required to figure out how big we need to cut from this particular material. And of course a scissor and a stapler and two rubber bands which is required to hold it onto our ears. So let's see how we can do this mask. So this is a reference measurement that I have to cut the material out from here. So this particular measurement is perfect for an adult mask. This one is, let's see how big it is. So here we are measuring it. So it's about 11 inches long, and let's see the width, and 6 inches wide. So it's 11 bar 6. So that's the measurement that we would require for making an adult mask. So let's go ahead and do the markings and start cutting it. Here we go. Let's start cutting it out to make our homemade mask. Here we go. So this is a perfect piece for making our mask. So let's see how to start making it. So this is a perfect piece of cloth for making a mask. So it's almost 11.5 inches length and 6 inches wide. So now let's start making a mask. So what we are going to now do is start rolling it like this. One side this way. It's 1 inch. This much. 1 inch. So that's enough. So 1 inch this way, and roll it, flip it over, and then the next this way. So you can gently give a press so that the cloth is nicely pressed. So the other way, So we just need to repeat it. So this is how it goes. So this way and then this way. So we have the cloth like this. So we have this folded cloth here. So you can give a nice gentle press like this so that it's all in place, kind of an ironing with your fingers. So it should keep the cloth in place. So make sure you hold it on. Next thing you need is the 2 rubber bands and the stapler. So what we are going to do is give a slight fold here, keep the rubber band into it like this, give a nice little fold, and we are going to staple this. So while stapling it, make sure the edges of the staples are coming this side, the sharp edges, so that it won't poke your face. So we have pressed it this way, and the rubber band is loose. We have opened the stapler, and now we are going to staple it. So this is it. So make sure the sharp edges are at the back, and you have the nice smooth one this side. So the same process, we are going to repeat it to the other side. So make sure it's all done, and you have to keep the rubber band here, close it out, and keep the stapler open, and then you take it out like this, keep it all tidy, nice and tidy, fold it in, give it a nice press. That's it. Just take it out. So here you go. So the face mask is ready. So now you just have to expand it. Here you go. So you have your custom homemade face mask. See, this is how it looks, and these are the bands to hold it up to your ears. So nice custom homemade face mask to prevent yourself from coronavirus. So no need to run behind the masks at the shop. So you can go ahead and make it at your home. So this is this will give you a protection whenever you're out. It's not N95 mask, it's just a simple homemade mask for primary preliminary protection from any kind of virus.